Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing wonderful today. I'm the Portfolio Panda. Today let's have a look at TLX or Telix Pharmaceuticals Ltd on the ASX. Company overview. TLX or Telix Pharmaceuticals Ltd is a publicly traded company listed on the Australian Securities Exchange. The company is based in Melbourne, Australia. Operations. TLX operates in the biopharmaceutical industry, specializing in the development and commercialization of molecularly targeted radiation therapies for the diagnosis and treatment of cancer. The company focuses on developing innovative radiopharmaceutical products that utilize molecular targeting agents to deliver radiation directly to cancer cells. Products and market position. TLX's key products and areas of focus include molecularly targeted radiation therapies. TLX is engaged in the development of MTR therapies that utilize radioactive isotopes and targeting agents to selectively deliver radiation to cancer cells. These therapies have the potential to improve cancer diagnosis, staging, and treatment outcomes. Prostate cancer imaging. TLX has developed and commercialized imaging agents specifically designed to detect prostate cancer and aid in disease management. Renal cancer imaging and therapy. The company is also involved in the development of imaging and therapeutic solutions for renal cancer. TLX aims to address unmet medical needs by providing innovative and targeted solutions for the diagnosis and treatment of cancer. Revenue generation. TLX generates revenue through a combination of product sales, licensing agreements, research collaborations, and milestone payments. As the company advances its pipeline of products, it expects to generate revenue from the commercialization of its MTR therapies and associated imaging agents. Competitors. TLX operates in the biopharmaceutical industry, where it faces competition from various companies involved in the development and commercialization of cancer therapies and imaging agents. Some notable competitors in the field include Novartis International, Bayer, Curium Pharma, and Progenics Pharmaceuticals Inc. Competition may arise from both established pharmaceutical companies and emerging biotechnology firms as the industry continues to innovate and develop new cancer treatments and imaging technologies. Future prospects. TLX's future prospects are influenced by several key factors. Pipeline development. The success of TLX's pipeline of MTR therapies and imaging agents is crucial for its future growth. Advancements in clinical trials, regulatory approvals, and successful commercialization will be key drivers of the company's prospects. Market adoption. The acceptance and adoption of TLX's products by healthcare providers and patients will play a significant role in its success. Strong market demand for innovative cancer diagnostic and therapeutic solutions can drive growth opportunities. Risks and future problems. While TLX has promising potential, it also faces certain risks and challenges. Clinical trial results. The success of TLX's products depends on the outcomes of ongoing clinical trials. Unfavorable trial results or delays in trial completion could impact the company's timeline for commercialization and revenue generation. Regulatory hurdles. The regulatory approval process for new cancer therapies and imaging agents can be lengthy and complex. TLX must navigate regulatory requirements and obtain necessary approvals from regulatory authorities such as the US Food and Drug Administration and the European Medicines Agency. Delays or failures in obtaining regulatory approvals can hinder the company's ability to bring its products to market. Competitive landscape. The biopharmaceutical industry is highly competitive, with numerous companies vying for market share in the field of cancer diagnostics and therapies. TLX must differentiate its products and demonstrate their efficacy and value proposition to compete effectively against established pharmaceutical companies and emerging biotech firms. Intellectual property protection. TLX's success relies on its ability to protect its intellectual property rights, including patents and proprietary technologies. Any challenges to its intellectual property or infringement by competitors could impact the company's market position and revenue streams. Financing and capital requirements. The development and commercialization of pharmaceutical products require substantial financial resources. TLX may need to raise additional funds through equity offerings, debt financing, or partnerships to support its operations, research, and clinical trials. Failure to secure adequate funding could hamper the company's growth prospects. TLX, a Melbourne-based biopharmaceutical company, focuses on the development and commercialization of molecularly targeted radiation therapies for cancer diagnosis and treatment. With a strong emphasis on innovation and targeted solutions, TLX aims to address unmet medical needs in the field of oncology. While the company has not been associated with notable controversies, it faces competition from established pharmaceutical companies and emerging biotech firms. TLX's future prospects depend on the successful advancement of its pipeline, market adoption of its products, regulatory approvals, and effective management of risks such as clinical trial outcomes and intellectual property protection. Investors should carefully evaluate the company's progress, industry dynamics, and regulatory developments before making investment decisions. As usual, let me know any questions in the comments below and make sure to share this with your least financially savvy friend, then tell me if I did okay at explaining the topic. Your most valuable asset is your time. Thank you for sharing yours with me. Until next time.